How to earn money with Airbnb affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome. In this video where I'll show you how to make money with Airbnb affiliate program and also become an Airbnb affiliate partner. Joining the Airbnb affiliate program could be the perfect opportunity for you. As an affiliate, you can earn commissions by promoting Airbnb accommodation to your audience. Whether you run a travel blog, manage a social media channel, or have a website related to hospitality, becoming an Airbnb affiliate allows you to monetize your traffic and recommendations. So before getting started, let us know what Airbnb is. Airbnb is a globally recognized online marketplace and hospitality service platform that enables individuals to list, discover, and book accommodations around the world. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into airbnb.com. As you can see, this is the website. And if you want to become as an affiliate partner, all you have to do is go to Airbnb Associates Program. So this is the home page of the website. So we have here Airbnb Associates Guidelines. All associates should keep these guidelines in mind. So let's read together to more understand. So first we have be transparent about your relationship with Airbnb. Secondly, we have associates are not Airbnb employees and do not work under the direction of Airbnb employees. Never represent yourself as an agent or employee of Airbnb, and by posting content on Airbnb, you agree to abide by our content policy. Moreover, we have don't remove Airbnb's branding from the program tools. Don't use any other Airbnb trademarks or copyrighted materials. Uh, Also, we have don't hide links, widgets, or pages. Only share program content directly to your followers on your personal sites or social media. Furthermore, we have don't run paid advertisement in print or digital format. Don't bid on Airbnb keywords or arbitrage Airbnb's global audience. Finally, we have don't book through your own links. You won't reserve a payout for your own lessons. We have here also tools available to Airbnb associates and payment and payout, and we have a lot of information that can help you guys. So let's back to the top. Here we have an important note. The Airbnb Associates programs allows anyone with an audience to make money by promoting travel or hosting on Airbnb. So what that means is the Airbnb's itself is gonna be you a commission if someone click on your link, send, books, stay, and whatever. So to your commission, all you have to do is come back to the website and choose the one you want to promote. So let's, for example, choose this one. As you can see, there's a lot of information here that can help you guys. Here are examples for each strategy of earning money through the Airbnb affiliate program. First, we have here promote Airbnb lessons. Create a blog post titled Top 10 Cozy Airbnb Cabins for Winter Getaways, where you feature and link to various cozy cabins available on Airbnb, highlighting their unique feature like hot tubs, fireplaces, or proximity to sky resorts. Second, we have create travel guides and reviews. Write a detailed travel guide on exploring Barcelona on a budget and include sections recommending budget-friendly Airbnb accommodation in different neighborhoods with affiliate links to those lessons. We have also We have also the third one here, target niche audience. Create an Instagram account focusing on luxury travel, post high quality photos of luxurious Airbnb villas around the world, using your affiliate links in the captions and bio to direct followers to book their dream stays. Also, we have used sales strategies. Write a blog Write a blog post titled Family-Friendly Airbnb Rentals Near Disney World, optimized with keywords like family-friendly Airbnb Disney World, featuring detailed descriptions and affiliate links to kid-friendly properties near the theme park. Also, we have utilized social media. Create a Pinterest board titled Dream Vacation Rentals, where you pin visually appealing images of various Airbnb properties worldwide. Use affiliate links in the pin descriptions to drive traffic and booking. We have also email marketing. Send out a newsletters to your subscribers with the subject line exclusive summer getaway. You'll save 200% on Airbnb stays. Include curated lists of Airbnb properties and popular summer destinations with affiliate links for readers to book directly. Also, we have offer special deals. Partner with Airbnb to offer a limited time discount code exclusively for your audience. Promote this offer on your blog, social media, and email newsletter, encouraging users to use your affiliate link to redeem this discount. Moreover, we have create comparison content. Write a blog post titled Airbnb with hotels where to stay for your next city break. Compare the benefits of staying in an Airbnb. We have more space, kitchen facilities versus our hotels, and include affiliate links to both Airbnb listings on and hotel booking sites. We have also partnered with travel bloggers or influencers. Collaborate with a travel influencer who specializes in adventure travel. Have them create Instagram stories showcasing their stay in a unique Airbnb treehouse with swipe up links to book the same property using your affiliate link. Finally, we have updated on Airbnb's program. Keep an eye on Airbnb's affiliate program updates. For example, if Airbnb introduces a new program offering increased commission rates for booking in certain regions or during specific seasons, adjust your promotional strategies to capitalize on these opportunities. This example illustrates how you can effectively utilize different strategies to earn money through Airbnb affiliate program by promoting lessons, creating valuable content, and engaging with your target audience. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you in the next video.